If your Gmail inbox is packed with unread messages and you want a fast way to clean it up, you're in the right place. In this video of Video, I'm going to show you how to delete all unread emails at once in Gmail in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if you've fallen behind on emails, want a fresh start, or just need to clear out a cluttered inbox quickly. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Gmail tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, look at the search bar at the top of the page. Click inside that search bar and type is unread. This search command tells Gmail to show only unread emails, so you can target them all at once instead of searching manually through your inbox. After typing it, press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will now filter your mailbox and display every unread message it can find. Now look to the top left of the email list and click the select checkbox. This selects the emails currently showing on the page. But if you have more unread emails than can fit on one screen, Gmail will give you an option to select everything that matches your search. So click select all conversations that match this search. This is the key step that makes sure every unread email is selected, not just the ones visible on the first page. Once everything is selected, click the delete button, which is the trash icon in the toolbar. Gmail will move all of those unread emails into the trash folder. If you want to permanently remove them and make sure they are fully cleared out, now go to the left sidebar and click trash. Inside the trash folder, you'll see the deleted messages waiting there temporarily. To finish the process, click empty trash now. This permanently deletes all of those emails from your account. And that's it. You've now deleted all unread emails at once in Gmail. It only takes a minute once you know the right search command and selection steps. If this video helped you clean up your inbox, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.